So this is my Mitsubishi rear projector DLP television, and I've changed the bulb twice, thinking maybe I just got a bad one the first time, and it's still not coming on. I'm going to turn it on and let you hear kind of what it's doing, and hopefully you guys out there might know what the hell's going on. So it's a WD-65734. I'm going to stand up now. Sorry for the darkness. I'm going to flip the TV on. There's the first cell, so I'm going to come up over here. Now this is just right behind where the bulb is replaced, or the lamp. And I'll just be quiet now and let you listen and see if you can. So that's what it does. It just turns on like that, does that 3 times, and then it just shows the something's wrong with the lamp. The lamp light on the front of the TV goes solid red. And that's it. 2 different lamps, and 2 new lamps I should say, and the same problem. So hopefully maybe somebody out there knows what's going on.